Look at, I've got a spirit working on my engine. Is that crazy? I mean, like, seriously. Because look at, when I flip this back to me, wild, right? So, if I was to be working on this, oh, right there, huh? I don't know how creepy this is supposed to be, but pass me a wrench, huh? I ain't trying to make no ghost mad at me, so, or spiritual beings, so I'm like a peaceful person when it comes to this stuff, and seems to be a pretty cool spirit. I thought I seen something the other day, and a lot of other times. I never paid no mind, so I figured I'd put this app on, and